Hey, today we're going to have a look at the upgrade for the Barcode printer app here for printing out barcode labels in Shopify. So you're going to want to click on apps over here and then visit Shopify App Store and wait for that to load up. And then we go into search apps, and what we're looking for is retail barcode labels. And that's the app we want there, so you're going to click on that, click on add app, and that will add it into your Shopify store. We want to install the app. And there we go, we're into retail barcode labels. So this is the upgrade for the old version. This is a little bit, gives you a few more options and gives you a way of creating templates here. So if we wanted to, first thing we're going to want to do is create a template, give it a name, and we'll call it test. And the size of the labels we want, the 25 by 54 are the ones you can get from Tillman. And then you're going to want to decide on here what you want on the label. Now I don't need the SKU on there because I don't normally use that, so we've just got the name of the product, the price, and the barcode label itself, which is that one there. Not a lot of customization you can do here, just basically say if you want these fields or not. If you want to get into a full customization, you're better to use the Dymo printer program and use the export out to that, and I'll do another video on that at a later date. Okay, we're going to create that template, and then we're going to go into create barcodes for, now this create barcodes actually creates a barcode number for all your products. So if you don't already have a barcode labels assigned, you can do the create barcodes and that will create codes for them. Otherwise, if you have, or if you're using Google for your products, you've already got the barcode field is already used, so you don't want to do this, where you're going to overwrite what's already in there. Okay, so we're going to just click on the print labels is what we want. Decide which products we want to print labels for. We'll just do it for this cash drawer here. We'll go add. The label template, we'll use the test one that we just created. And you'll see 25 by 54 we've got there. Now I should say at this point, when it comes to printing, you need to make sure that you've set this label size in your printer, but we'll have another look at that anyway. Choose how many labels we want. We're going to print 3 labels, and then we just go, you can preview the labels if you want to have a look what they're going to turn out like, and that looks pretty good. That's exactly what we want there. So we go print 3 labels. That brings up our print dialog in Windows. Looks all good there. Now you need to set this paper size. Once you've set it in there, it remembers it. But if you don't set this, you'll get the label half printing off and all right down the other end and missing bits of the barcode. So do make sure that you set your paper size to the right size, which in our case is 30336. The 1 inch by 2 1/8 inch, which is the 24 by 54 millimeter labels. Okay, then we're going to print that, and there we go. Simple as that. Gives you 3 labels that you can stick on your product, and when you sell it on your POS, your Shopify POS, it'll know that that's the product that you're selling. Cool, hope that helps. If you've got any questions, get in touch with Tillman, tillman.co.nz. Thanks heaps.